Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Stephanie. I am a classically trained pastry chef, and today I'll be demonstrating how to make carrot cheesecake bars. These bars are the best of two worlds, carrot cake and cheesecake in one amazing dessert. They're super simple to make, so let's get started. Start by mixing together the dry ingredients for the carrot cake portion of the dessert. You need 1 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger. Then set the bowl aside for later. In a separate large bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 1/2 cup unsweetened applesauce, and 2 room temperature large eggs. Once combined, add the dry ingredients you whisked together earlier and stir until combined. Finally, add 1 3/4 cup of finely shredded carrots and stir until evenly distributed. Set this bowl aside for later. Now make the cheesecake portion of the dessert. I have 1 pound of room temperature cream cheese in this bowl, which I've already whipped together. To this add 1/3 cup granulated sugar and 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Mix together until it's well combined, approximately 2 minutes. Now add 2 room temperature eggs and mix for another 2 minutes. To assemble the dessert, you need a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. Pour in 1/2 of the carrot mixture and smooth so you have an even layer. Drop generous dollops of the cheesecake batter, approximately 2 tablespoons each, over the carrot cake batter, spacing them evenly across the surface. Next, scoop the remaining carrot cake batter into the pan, placing around the cheesecake mounds. Use an offset spatula or a knife to create swirls in the batter. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. A toothpick inserted in the center of the dessert should come out clean. After baking, place on a wire rack for 2 hours to cool completely. So that's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.